Train Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, so we're in Nha Trang. This street right here, Tran Quang Kai, is kind of like a bar street a little bit. So you'll see lots of references in this area. There's one right there, Cocktail Bar. There's one right here called Connect Pub. Nobody's there right now, but I saw a lot of expats just down that way. So this street also has quite a few as well. But so I might actually walk down just briefly. But there's more bars down here too. And this is going to be our focus of this particular street. So we're going to walk down this one and kind of show you maybe some of the main bars that are around here. So stay tuned. And the beach is directly down that way. It's about 2 blocks down. Nha Trang, up on the map, and I'm just going to call this Bar Street, but actually it has a name, so it's up on the map and you can see the name right there. But actually this is where kind of a conglomeration of bars are at. And so I guess it's not really Bar Street, is it? But it's but you can see an area where they're at. Anyways, so we also got some music. So this is actually my second to last Nha Trang one. I'm going to be finishing up my set. So I got one more after this one. So so stay tuned for that if you're interested in Nha Trang. I got some lyrics up here too. So I wrote that, fed it into AI, and now we're going to get right into the walk and talk, where you can hear me narrate and walk around in Nha Trang, Vietnam. Okay. So I guess first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go down that street in a moment, but I'm just going to show this one so people can actually drink right here on the corner, get drunk and get connected. And you're going to see some other bars down there as well, so stay tuned. I'm just going to go down and show some of the other ones on this this particular street first. Okay, so there's one bar over there to the right, which is called Cheers, and that one is kind of popular with expats, as you can see. Then there's another one up here, and there's some other foreigners over here drinking beer as well. And this one is called Mickey Bar. And I think it's upstairs as well. There's some things. So we're going to go directly back to the corner, and then we're going to show you the other bars as well. Okay, so we got one bar here. Hello. So I got one bar right here, and then this particular street is so we saw those other two where there's some expats as well. So that was actually on this one, which is on the corner of this one. And now we're gonna focus down on that street. So this is kind of this Connect pub, and there's gonna be more on this corner. So we're gonna go down that way as well. So let's go down and check those out as well. And this is, I would say this is like one of the main 5 streets. Oh, there's the other ones right there. So let me just kind of try to run across. So this street dating is also a popular one as well. And there's like always people dancing in that one, I've noticed. There's a few other ones right here too. So there's one on the corner. And this one's called Street Dancing. And it looks like it's temporarily not set up yet. Then they have this one, which is hello. And then we have a third one over here as well. So this one is called Kenny Bar. So that one's gonna be probably popular at nighttime. So we got 1, 2, 3 right here. And then around the corner there's Connect. And then there's Cheers, and then there's Mickey Bar. And then I don't know, this one is interesting because there's like, if you look at videos online for this one, there's like people dancing in that one. So, but it looks like it's just opening right now. Anyways, those are 5, 6 places right there for somebody to explore a little bit if they want to get to know the city. And I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna complete the street by walking all the way down it, and then the beach is directly at the end, so it kind of give you an idea of what's all around here, including this one right here. This one has sports music. Saigon Beer Chill, and it's Moscow. I think it's something like that. Vietnamese restaurant. Hello. And now we're gonna get let's see how to get around here. Guess we'll go down like that. And I'm just gonna keep the camera on and just kind of show you what's all around here a little bit. Cilantro restaurant. The lights are just coming on too, so it's getting kind of interesting. Okay, so we are going to try to go across. And we got that interesting looking place as well. The Corral Ons. Okay, so let's just keep on meandering down. Some mini marts. There's a lot of mini marts near the beach. I think they sell beer and stuff like that, so you could probably bring them to the beach. And that one kind of has some cool architecture. So that's the street that we're on. That we are on. No, that's this one. This really cool. So I think that's Vietnamese restaurant, I think. Okay. Pretty cool. Got some massages. So we'll just kind of walk all the way down just so you can kind of see what it's all about. Lots of Korean, Chinese, and Russian. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do in this particular one is I'll just keep the camera going, and so you can kind of see that it's only a few minutes from those bars to the beach. So those There's a Vin Pearl beachfront in Nha Trang. There's a Starbucks in there. I don't know if that's a hotel or like a small mall or a little bit of both. But there is a Starbucks in there. Okay, so I'm gonna jump ahead to the beach. So that's basically our street. And now we're basically at the main beach street. And yeah, there's a Starbucks right on this Vin Pearl. Vin Pearl seems to have a lot of money. They seem to put a lot of money into tourism. I see these big giant resorts and different things. And then right where this comes out at is the beach club. So we're gonna try to run across here real quick. Okay, so now we're on the other side. There's like Sunshine Bar. I didn't see that. It's like a rooftop. That's the Vincom Plaza with Lotte Cinema and Winmar. And we are going to try to walk into this place, and then right there you can see, actually maybe I'll try to walk right through the middle there. Okay, so that's the Sailing Club 2024. That was our target street right there. Then we're just gonna walk straight into it. So basically that little bar street comes right to the Sailing Club, basically. We'll just walk right into it and get right to the beach, and then you can see that as well. And then we'll probably conclude our street. And this place will be, I heard it's pretty crazy on a Friday and Saturday. They have shows and different stuff. There's actually a lot of people here just about an hour ago. But at this moment, then the beach is directly ahead, so we're gonna go directly to that. Looks like they have a DJ there. Okay. So this would be the Sailing Club, and it says let's party. You got a menu as well. So we're gonna go directly down to the ocean as well. Okay. So let's go down this way. So yeah, I guess this is where the party's at, basically. And I guess people get their chairs early, I heard, if it's a Friday or Saturday. Okay. So now, as you can see, yeah, so that's kind of the sunset. So we're going to go directly towards the ocean itself. So the water is actually kind of gentle. And now you can see the landscape and the Sailing Club. Okay. And in Vin Pearl, there's a little thing right over there, a Ferris wheel, and there's actually a little town. I think that's like a tourist town. So basically our street was right on the other side of that.